Hello friends, dear teachers and students. Really I am thankful to everybody because you all have given me great response regarding my all YouTube creations. Friends, in next week you are going to attending the examination, and many students are in confusion that how to attend examination. Friends, in that regard, I have also created one practical video regarding how to attend examination with the help of Google Forms. So, of that video, I have given the link of the regarding that video in the description box of this video, as well as I have discussed this essay, "The Quest for Happiness," in English in details. Many students are demanding to create this essay in Marathi or Hindi. Definitely students. Next I will prepare this video in Marathi or Hindi. So friends, let's read about Dalai Lama, about the essay "The Quest for Happiness," and be ready for examination as well as this MCQ video. This is the first MCQ regarding the essay "The Quest for Happiness." When the 14th Dalai Lama was born? Options are A. July 6, 1935, B. July 6, 1936, C. July 6, 1937, D. July 6, 1938. And this is the correct answer, A. July 6, 1935. Friends, all these MCQs are very crucial. Please circulate among your friends. Next MCQ. Who is the current Dalai Lama? You have to mention about his characteristics. A. The Buddhist monk, B. The religious preacher, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. Note down your answer, friends, and this is correct answer, C. Both A and B. The current Dalai Lama is the Buddhist monk and the 14th religious preacher. Next MCQ. Where the 14th Dalai Lama was born? Options are A. India, B. Japan, C. Sri Lanka, D. Tibet. Note down your answer, and this is correct answer, D. Tibet. Next MCQ. Where the 14th Dalai Lama is living in present? Options are A. Japan, B. Himachal Pradesh, India, C. Tibet, D. Sri Lanka. Note down your answer, friends, and this is the correct answer, B. Himachal Pradesh, India. Which year's Nobel Prize for Peace was conferred or awarded to His Holiness Dalai Lama? Options are 1989, B. 1990, C. 1991, D. 1995. Note down your answer, and this is correct answer, 1989. Yes friends, we have read that Dalai Lama done great efforts regarding the civil war in Tibet, but it is unfortunate that it was the condition came before him that he left his own country. But his efforts were really noticed by the world, and hence he was honored with the Nobel Prize for Peace in 1989. Next MCQ. According to Dalai Lama, human being survives only with dash dash dash. A. The money, B. The friendship, C. The hope, B. All of the above. Note down your answer, and this is correct answer, C. The hope. According to Dalai Lama, human being survives only with the hope. Next MCQ. Which are the major factors of the human happiness mentioned by Dalai Lama? A. Wealth, B. Health, C. Friendship, D. All of the above. Note down your answer, and this is the correct answer, D. All of the above. Next MCQ. What is the nickname of the money in Tibetan culture? Yes friends, you have to read the original text. A. Peso. B. Dollar. C. Kunga Dhondup. D. Rupee. Note down your answer, and this is correct answer. C. Kunga Dhondup. Next MCQ. Which country people called money is that which makes us all happy and can fulfill our wishes? Options are A. Tibet. B. India. C. Japan. D. America. Friends, this sentence is from the essay, The Quest for Happiness. And so, this only applicable for particular answer. And this is the correct answer. A. Tibet. Next MCQ. What is the Tibetan recite mantra associated with the Buddha of compassion? Read carefully. A. Money is life. B. Om Mani Padme Hum. C. Om Mani Shivaya. D. None of the above. Note down your answer, and this is correct answer. Om Mani Padme Hum. Next MCQ. What is called mental flourishing according to modern psychologists and social scientists? A. The knowledge. B. The books. C. The weapons. D. The material acquisitions. Note down your answer, and this is correct answer. D. The material acquisitions. Next MCQ. What is increasing the greed and fickleness in modern developed culture? Options are A. Consumerist culture. B. Reading culture. C. Exercise culture. D. Hard work culture. Read question carefully as well as options. Yes friends, in forthcoming examination also, it's your prime duty that you have to read every question very carefully 3 or 4 times and then click on the correct answer. And this is the correct answer. A. Consumerist culture. Next MCQ. Which are the important types of health useful for every human being mentioned by Dalai Lama in essay The Quest for Happiness? A. Physical health. B. Mental health. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Friends, note down your answer. This is the correct answer. Both A and B means physical and mental health are very useful for everybody. If somebody is physically healthy but not mentally, that will be not useful. Or somebody is mentally healthy but not physically, that is also useful. And that is also not useful. So we require both. Next MCQ. According to Dalai Lama, which are the friends of our money, status, or good looks? Options are A. The genuine friends. B. The superficial friends. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Note down your answer, and this is correct answer. B. The superficial friends. Yes friends, the superficial friends are only the friends of our money, status, or good looks. Next MCQ. According to Dalai Lama, the genuine friendship is based on dash. A. Trust and affection. B. Land. C. Money. D. Wealth. Note down your answer, and this is correct answer. Trust and affection. Yes friends, friendship is depend on trust and affection. So please be careful about all these things. Friends, next MCQ. Which feelings are our true friends mentioned by Dalai Lama? Warm-heartedness. B. Compassion. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Note down your answer, and this is correct answer. Both A and B means warm-heartedness and compassion are our true friends mentioned by Dalai Lama. Friends, I conclude this beautiful MCQ video with the quote of Dalai Lama. Dalai Lama says, "Man surprised me most about humanity because he sacrifices his health in order to make money. Then he sacrifices money to recuperate his health, and then he is so anxious about the future that he does not enjoy the present. The result being that he does not live in the present or the future. He lives as if he is never going to die, and then dies having never really lived. Yes, friends, it means that we have to enjoy our present. We have to enjoy every moment of our life. That is great thing for everybody. Thank you, friends. Again, I request you circulate and subscribe. Thank you, friends. Thank you very much.